Hello from Slovenia again. Today I'm working on a 12 by 20 inch gallery wrap deep edged canvas, and I will do a flip cup. When I started pouring, I did a lot of flip cups because I was just mesmerized with those cells there that they are popped through. So I added 1 drop of silicone oil, Pubeo brand, for an ounce of my paint, and I have Amsterdam Naples Yellow Dip, Winsor and Newton Cadmium Orange Hue, Amsterdam Turquoise Blue, Amsterdam Pyro Red, Amsterdam Titanium White, Amsterdam Prussian Phthalo Blue. I mixed my silicone oil quite well into the cups, and this is my consistency. And I have 3 cups that I will layer, and I will just play with it because I don't know, sometimes it's nice to go back in the beginnings of your pouring journey. There is so many new techniques developed since I started. I have these flower dips, reverse flower dips, but I did start with the flip cups and cells, so really want to do this one today. Sometimes, you just have to do something that your heart tells you to. Hope that I will not get mud out of orange and turquoise, but let's see. So I will layer 2 rows, or how can I say, I will layer those paints twice in my cup, and I will speed you up for this process. But I remember when I started, I was really enjoying layering paints into the cup, and I still do. But you have to feel it, not just watch it. I think that it's a combination of 2. Or maybe somebody doesn't like to do that. I like to mix paints too, but some people don't, so it just depends. I don't know why I add those ribbons that I just don't know what to do with them. I will probably grab a balloon and do a balloon dips. Definitely hate this part too, so let's go right here first. Here is a close-up of the dry results. I love it. You know, sometimes, I don't know, I just love to see all those cool looking cells all around, different ones. Just, as I said, this was the thing that dragged me into the acrylic pouring. So, have a nice day and see you on the next one. Bye.